Welcome to Modern Homes and Gardens. Today we're taking a tour down some of the most stunning modern hallways that blend style, functionality, and elegance. Hallways might seem simple at first glance, but they set the tone for the entire home. A well-designed hallway can make your space feel more spacious, inviting, and cohesive. In modern homes, hallways are more than just pathways. They are canvases for design. Imagine walking down a wide hallway with polished wooden floors reflecting soft recessed lighting, clean white walls, and subtle decorative accents. It immediately gives a sense of calm, order, and sophistication. Lighting is a key element. From recessed ceiling lights to linear LED strips, modern hallways use lighting not just for visibility, but to create mood, highlight textures, and accentuate art pieces. Natural light also plays an important role. Large windows or glass panels allow sunlight to flood in, giving the space warmth and energy. Materials and textures bring depth and personality. Smooth marble floors, polished concrete, and wooden panels combine beautifully with wall-mounted artworks or minimalist furniture. Even small details like a modern console table, a few potted plants, or decorative niches can transform a simple hallway into a striking visual journey. Modern hallways also embrace clean lines, symmetry, and functional design. Floating shelves, built-in storage, and sleek railings keep the space organized without clutter. Wide hallways enhance movement, creating a feeling of openness that invites you further into the home. So whether it's a residential space or a luxury condo, these modern hallways showcase how simplicity and elegance come together. Every element, from flooring to lighting, from furniture to wall decor, is carefully curated to create harmony. So next time you step into your home, pay attention to your hallway. It's more than just a passage. It's a first impression, a design statement, and a journey through style. Stay inspired and explore the endless possibilities of modern hallway design right here with Modern Homes and Gardens.